beauty and wellness revolution.
AFA-CM Plus.
With only 2 main ingredients, blue-green algae and peaches, you can either consume with 100 milliliters of water or place it under your tongue. Originated from Upper Klamath Lake, USA, this blue-green algae has inhabited the Earth for at least 3 billion years. AFA is approved for human consumption by both FDA and EFSA. The older we get, the more cells we'll lose, and that's what causes aging or death. So how can AFA-CM Plus prevent stem cells from fading in our body? The active ingredients inside AFA-CM Plus speeds up new cell regeneration inside our body. There are 4 major nutrients in AFA. Even astronauts use them as nutrient boost while they're in outer space. This superfood is capable of improving human health from many aspects. Just take 1 to 2 sachets each day. Repair, renew, restore. Start your new life journey with AFA-CM Plus. Get yours today.